Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. As always, it is Nick here, back with your daily crypto news and analysis. And today we're going to be talking about Casper Network, so let's just dive in and let's start off with the overall price. So one thing that I've been getting asked for quite a bit is how much Casper is enough? And realistically speaking, it's all on you on how much you could afford to lose, but also I want to take you guys back to May. So here we have in May is when we first broke down below 4 cents. During that time, you should have been accumulating. You should have been accumulating for the whole year range up to today. And honestly, until we actually break out of 5.5 cents, it's not a bad thing to accumulate Casper. But the best time, granted, was during the summer lows. During the summer lows back here when we were trading at around like 2.5 cents, this was incredible. During this entire time, I said over on Twitter, like, I'm buying. I even posted all my buy orders and I still am holding on to them. I have no plans on selling anytime soon. In fact, a lot of it is staked. And the reason why is because, like, going long term on this thing, like, look at the price chart on this. I believe that this thing could easily smash a lot of high grade targets. And initially speaking, I'm going off of 50 cents, $1, $1.50, even $3, like all the way up to $3. I believe that Casper is going to exceed a lot of individuals' expectations. And I think that it really is starting this year. I think a lot of the price movement is starting this year. I mean, even right now, as we look at crypto itself, I mean, first off, the total market cap of crypto sitting at almost $1.25 trillion. And then we also look at like the 7-day span, and there's been a lot of price movement in the market. And also, Bitcoin smashing 30K, big warning signs of what's to come around crypto. I believe that this year is going to do very, very well for crypto. Now, as we look at Casper, a lot of people have been asking me, like, what's a make it bag? I believe everyone should be targeting at least 50,000 Casper. I know that that seems like a lot because it's 2,100 some dollars. But you also had a whole year almost of accumulation. I mean, like, look at the initial price drop back here. I believe that this was an incredible opportunity for anyone to accumulate Casper on the low. Very similar to like ADA. I've talked about this as well in this channel. Like, go all the way back to, so here, let me actually zoom out real quick on the price chart. Let me go all the way back to this point here, and let's just look at this whole area of just sideways momentum. So look at this price level of it breaking all the way down in 2018, sideways momentum, pretty much hitting the same ranges that Casper has been doing, except on a little bit of a lower scale. Like, this hit almost 9 cents, 10 cents, but it just traded sideways. And then it didn't. It ended up breaking out. And when it broke out, it moved extremely fast to the upside. And yes, it did top out at around roughly almost $3 after it just trailed sideways for so long. The same way that Casper right now is just trailing sideways. Although, yeah, we might be in an uptrend, but I still believe that this is nowhere even close to where Casper is going to lead to. So again, make it bag, I would say target should be 50K. 50K Casper. I know that a lot of people will most likely want to have 100K. 100K is a solid level as well. That is a total amount of $4,255. I know that might not sound easy for most people, but if you accumulate during this entire time here, it's very achievable. This is why we utilize this time in the market to accumulate as much as possible on these gems. Now, with that, we are starting to see a lot of major amounts of Casper being moved around, almost 10 million. Over here, we've seen 1.1 million. And then the craziest amount that I've seen start a staking operation, 34.7 million, worth $1.5 million, staked by an unknown address on Emerging Technology Association. How insane. And I even got tagged in. I was like, this is insane. And again, it just shows you that there is a ton of whales coming in around Casper. We start to see a lot of major buys around Casper as well. So I believe that we are getting to the point where soon we are going to see a major inflow into Casper. Now, also outside of this, we just recently seen the new Casper wallet be announced, which is incredible. We do see say hello to the safest and most user-friendly wallet audited by Alborn Security for managing your Casper and digital assets on the Casper network. This is awesome. I love to see this. We constantly see major innovations happening and building on the Casper ecosystem. Very incredible. Love to see it. Now, also, within this, I want to lead you guys to the next thing, the accelerant or the accelerator grant. So the X Frontier posted this, and we do see accelerator grant program update highlights. 289 applicants since November of 2022. November of 2022. That's it. What is that? Half a year ago now? 6 months ago? 289 applicants. 80% pre-qualified, meaning are relevant to Casper and moving to Discovery Call to discuss what will be built, value to Casper, etc. 48% of applicants are dApps with 70% around NFTs, 20% gaming, 10% in DeFi as well. 20% of applicants building are infrastructure and tolling. Projects chosen are geared towards synergy of ecosystem, extending Google Cloud partnership for startups, added benefits for those building on Casper, and new grant around Oracle soon. Incredible amounts of growth. Now, outside of this, there is still a lot left to go live on Casper. Now, I want to take you guys real quick to a few things happening around Casper. So one, we recently joined the World Economic Forum. This happened on the 4th. Going back a little bit, yes, we joined the Hyperledger Foundation, going back to September of last year. Then, also before that, we did see Casper Labs and IBM realizing an interoperable blockchain with Casper Labs and IBM. A huge innovation happened. And then also, what we recently seen was a few things around DeFi. Now, I want to take you guys back a little bit. This is 2021. Casper Labs and Purify partner to offer full cycle crypto analytics solutions for DeFi users. Mind you, today, when we go back over here to the categories around DeFi, so actually I think DeFi is already up here. Yeah, so here we have DeFi, a $57.5 billion market cap. Now, mind you, this isn't even near the all-time highs of DeFi. We still have a long way to go. But as we look at DeFi and the offering around DeFi, there's a lot of limitations here. And mostly it's because there's not enough incredible use cases that are targeting real world applications. With Casper, I believe that this is going to change. And this is a big one, right? Purify and Casper Labs from 2021. This is like almost the end of 2021. This is a big deal because of what they are trying to do here. One, I believe that a lot of the DeFi offering that is coming to Casper has not been realized just yet. But we do see Casper Labs is committed to supporting a scalable, decentralized, and secure environment for building dApps in DeFi and beyond on the Casper network. Via our partnership with Purify, we've taken a significant step forward on this front, being able to store verified credentials in a completely private and secure environment is key to ensuring that anti-money laundering and KYC requirements can be easily satisfied by all Casper dApps. So this is great for the Casper ecosystem, especially around DeFi, which I believe is going to be huge. And also, by the way, we do see we are excited to evolve our long-time partnership. Casper Labs has worked to ensure that the Casper network houses a robust infrastructure for building DeFi applications. We are looking forward to this collaboration bringing substantial product innovation value. Now, mind you, this was 2021 of July. In June of 2021 as well, we did see the Arcadia Group building DeFi software infrastructure in the Casper ecosystem. This was a big one as well that a lot of people are overlooking. Like, a lot of people are not even aware of these major partnerships. But as we look down here, as DeFi applications increasingly embrace cross-chain use cases, Casper is emerging as an increasingly popular choice, thanks to its security scalability and its more predictable and cost-effective gas model. Arcadia's role in the network further enhances these features as more projects are joining the Casper ecosystem. So again, we are seeing the idea around how big Casper will become within DeFi. We also do see that the Arcadia Group will be able to offer its partners and clients highly customizable on-chain DeFi solutions. Casper's suite of developer-friendly tools and predictable, cost-effective gas prices also make it easy for global teams to begin iterating and building out new products. And we even do see it has worked with teams processing $150 million in value on chain and assisting in securing smart contracts with assets under management greater than $6 billion. This is how large Arcadia actually is. So this is incredible. Then also, we did see back in March of 2021, ACDX will use Casper to redefine derivatives. This was a big one. As we scroll down here, we do see the crypto community has been greatly anticipating Casper's upcoming mainnet launch. We're thrilled to be among the first organizations to utilize the Casper network for gas price prediction. Its ability to deliver high performance without sacrificing on security or decentralization is a key consideration for us. As the market continues to mature, there's growing demand for cutting-edge exchanges from high-frequency traders. ACDX has developed a powerful and highly differentiated solution that leverages Casper's performance and security functionality to support crypto derivatives trading in a way the industry has not previously seen. So this is huge. Again, all of this is still yet to be realized on Casper. And mind you that there has been major reports already on Casper's efficiencies around DeFi. Going all the way back, this is in 2021 as well, but this was going back to September of 2021 when we initially seen this update around DeFi within Casper and Casper's new solutions for DeFi as well, which we see up here. But mainly it's the technology stack behind it. Like there's a lot of tech stack behind Casper Labs and Casper itself that has not been realized in and truly utilized, by the way, around a lot of the DeFi applications. And a lot of this is greatly reliant on the efficiencies around energy as well, which we know has been a big focus point. And as you guys do see, here's Casper down here, here's Ethereum and even Bitcoin. And you can see the efficiencies around the energy efficiency around it. Now, mind you, all of this is great, but when will it all happen? A lot of people have been asking me about like, when is this all going to happen? It's going to happen in time. You got to be patient with a lot of this stuff. I bring this up even with Hedera, right? There was not a lot happening on Hedera, and then all at once we start to see a wave of not only live use cases, but also development happening. I believe that we are getting to that point around Casper as well. And it's only a matter of time until we start to see things shift greatly. And talking about shift, we actually do see over here with Shift Network, this is a Casper Labs partnership as well, going all the way back to May of 2021. This was also talking about data anchoring to the Casper network, but this was also to embrace DeFi. We do see down here that our goal is to leverage Casper Network's enterprise-grade capabilities to turn that design into opportunities for institutional players to enter DeFi and exponentially increase its reach and scope. Again, all centered on DeFi. When DeFi goes fully live on Casper, things are going to change rapidly. And we even do see over here from January of 2021. This was all in 2021. Accelerating dApps and decentralized economies with Metis and Casper Labs. This is huge. What they want to do with Casper within the DeFi space is something very exciting. I believe DeFi on Casper is going to be extremely large. And I also believe that DeFi itself on Casper is going to be extremely successful. Very similar to what I said around Hedera. Now, when you take that into accountability and you look at Casper and where Casper is today, this sideways momentum, 300 days. Mind you, it's actually 305 days of just sideways momentum. And yes, we are in a little bit of an uptrend here, but we've seen this uptrend slightly in the past as well. We are waiting for a big break. I believe that we will get that very soon. First, I believe that we might see a retest of around like 3.5 cents, a little bit under 4 cents maybe. But when this does break, 10 cents is my main target. But first we need to clear 5.5 cents. Once we get over 5.5 cents, it's game over. It's okay, well, what's next? Well, we most likely trend up here, then we get another big break to the upside target of the November 2021 high. We'll probably trade a little bit here, and then we'll go on a major tear. Very similar to ADA. Again, I always like to compare Casper to ADA because very similar to ADA, I believe everyone is overlooking Casper at a time where most people should 100% be focused on Casper and what Casper is doing. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Because definitely leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. As always, up to you all. Have a beautiful day or a beautiful night wherever you guys are in this. Before this, been Nick. Peace out, guys.